other day, I was reading that the governor of Indiana just passed a bill so that they could start collecting tolls on every interstate that runs through Indiana. The reason for this is apparently they are not collecting enough taxes off fuel to maintain their highways. That's the excuse or reason for it. I think it's bullshit. I think personally it's more money management. But I don't know. It's above me. It got me thinking about it. Being that I own a trucking company, I have to deal with all of the finances of it. And fuel is my biggest variable expense. I'm probably spending anywhere close to between $8,000 and $10,000 a month on fuel. Fuel expense is so important that whenever I have to run a load from one destination to the other, I have to plan the entire trip around my fuel stops, just so I can minimize that expense. And sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Nationally, I can tell you right out. I mean, the states that have the highest fuel prices are, you got the three on the West Coast, California, Oregon, and Washington. No big surprise there. And then it's the Northeast. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, all of your New England states, and now it's going to be Indiana. So, I don't know about anybody else, but if the governor wants to put a highway tax on every single interstate in Indiana, then I'm going to boycott the state. I'm going to refuse to deliver loads to Indiana. Just out of principle. Just out of principle. It won't be the first time I refuse to load. Just yesterday, I refused to load going from Vermont to Texas. They offered me $2,600 to run that load. I absolutely refused it. Specifically for a price. I mean, $2,600. I mean, that looks good for a 3-day run. But when you break it down, it's going to be, when you break down the price of that load, it's only paying $1.33 per mile, and that's where it's important to look at. That's where it's important to know your operating costs, because you need to know what your minimum operating cost is. For mine, for example, is $1.80 per mile. that's the thing. When you become a owner operator or you lease on to a company, you gotta know these things. It's the most important thing. And you need to know when and how to refuse a loan. And don't be afraid to say no. Not be afraid to say no. They will find you what they want to look. The only reason I'm not taking another load until next week is I need to shut this truck down for a couple days. I mean, I've been on the road for about 2-3 months straight. I don't even know. But I'm starting to come into burnout territory. So I need to take a couple days off. And I mean, this is an opportunity for me to take the truck to a dealership, get some of the other repairs done that need to be done, so I can get back on. So I can just get back out there and keep on trucking. Talking about the keep on trucking. I gotta give a shout out to Candy Base. Like, good God, woman. This girl is 85 years old and still hauling freight. 85. Like, she's beyond grandma status. She is antique status. And she is still out there jamming gears. Running with the pups. Delivering that freight. Props. Straight up. God damn. I don't know if I can do it now. I do not know if I can run at 85. 85 old. Like when I read the article, it showed a picture of her opening up her trailer door. It don't even look like she has a bag in it. She's still out there running.